Are you looking for ways to make money while you sleep? Or maybe you're seeking financial freedom, where your income isn't tied to the number of hours you work? Welcome to the world of passive income, a realm where your earnings aren't confined to the traditional 9-to-5 paradigm. Instead, with a bit of initial effort, you can build income streams that require minimal maintenance. Today, we'll be unveiling the top 5 passive income streams that anyone can dive into. So, stay tuned as we explore the top 5 passive income streams you can start today. First up on our list is investing in stocks and bonds. This is a classic method of generating passive income. When you invest in stocks, you're buying a piece of a company. As that company grows and profits, so does your investment. Companies often pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. This can provide a steady stream of income without you having to lift a finger. Bonds, on the other hand, are essentially loans you make to a company or government. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest over a certain period of time. Now, it's important to remember that investing in the stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, strategy, and a bit of risk tolerance. But with time and a well-diversified portfolio, you could see significant returns on your investment. Of course, there are risks involved. The value of stocks can go down as well as up, and there's no guarantee you'll get your money back. That's why it's crucial to do your homework. Research the companies you're interested in, keep an eye on market trends, and consider consulting a financial advisor. Investing isn't just for the wealthy either. Thanks to online platforms, you can start investing with just a small amount of money. It's a good way to grow your wealth over the long term, and it can provide a nice boost to your regular income. While it may require an initial investment, stocks and bonds can provide a steady flow of passive income over time. Next up, we have real estate investment. Now, real estate is an avenue that's been tried and tested for generations. It's a tangible asset that, if invested wisely, can generate a steady flow of income. One of the most common ways to earn through real estate is by investing in rental properties. Imagine owning a property and having tenants pay you rent every month. Sounds great, right? Well, that's precisely what rental properties offer. You can earn a stable income without having to clock in hours at an office. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There's an initial capital requirement, and you need to be prepared for maintenance costs, vacancies, and other unforeseen expenses. But rental properties aren't the only way to invest in real estate. There are also real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate across a range of property sectors. They allow individuals to invest in portfolios of large-scale properties the same way they invest in other industries, through the purchase of stock. In fact, the majority of REITs are publicly traded on national securities exchanges, and investors can buy and sell them like stocks. Like all investments, understanding the market is crucial. Real estate markets can be unpredictable, and it's essential to do your homework before jumping in. So real estate investment can be a lucrative passive income stream provided you make smart decisions. Third on our list is affiliate marketing. Imagine earning a commission every time someone makes a purchase through a link you shared. That's the essence of affiliate marketing. You're essentially a middleman, promoting other people's or companies' products online, and reaping the rewards when your audience makes a purchase. Now, the key to success in affiliate marketing lies in 2 main areas. First, you need a strong online presence. This could be a popular blog, a widely followed social media account, or a heavily trafficked website. The more traffic you have, the higher your chances of earning commissions. Second, you need to choose products that resonate with your audience's interests. If you run a fitness blog, for example, promoting fitness products would be a natural fit. The more aligned the product is with your audience's interests, the higher your chances of making a sale. With some strategic planning, affiliate marketing can turn your online presence into a passive income generator. Fourth, we have creating an online course. In this digital age, knowledge is a commodity. And what better way to capitalize on that than by sharing your expertise or skills through an online course? Think about it. You have a skill or knowledge that others might find valuable. Maybe you're a whiz at programming, or you have a knack for creative writing. Why not package that knowledge into a course and get paid for it? There are platforms like Udemy or Coursera that can host your courses. These platforms are frequented by learners worldwide seeking to acquire new skills or improve existing ones. You create the course once, and then every time someone purchases it, you earn. That's passive income for you. So, if you're looking for a way to monetize your skills and generate a steady stream of income without the grind of a 9-to-5, creating an online course could be your ticket. If you have a skill or knowledge others might find valuable, why not turn it into a passive income stream? Finally, our fifth passive income stream is writing a blog or ebook. Now you might be thinking, isn't that a lot of work? Well, yes and no. Yes, it does require an initial investment of time and effort. But once your content is out there, it can generate income for you 24/7, 365 days a year. Let's break it down. With a blog, you can earn through advertising revenue. Each time someone visits your site and sees or clicks on an ad, you earn a bit of money. It may not seem like much, but it can add up over time, especially if you have a lot of traffic. An ebook, on the other hand, can generate income through sales. Once you've written and published your ebook, every sale is pure profit. The beauty of digital products is that they can be sold indefinitely, with no production or shipping costs. The key here is to create content that people find valuable. That's why it's so important to pick a niche that not only interests you but also has a sizable audience. If you're passionate about fitness, write about that. If you're a whiz at cooking vegan meals, share your recipes. Remember, the internet is a vast place. There's an audience for almost anything, so if you love writing and sharing your thoughts, a blog or ebook could be your ticket to passive income. So there you have it, the top 5 passive income streams you can start today. From investing in stocks and bonds to real estate, affiliate marketing, online courses, and writing. Explore these options and kickstart your journey towards financial freedom. Remember, the key to passive income is starting, so choose a stream that resonates with you and take that first step today.